Is this your typical Zoom or Teams remote meeting where you are just stuck in a corner? You know what they say, out of sight, out of mind. It is time to transform your remote meeting with Reactiv SUITE. Reactiv SUITE takes your normal Zoom meeting into a broadcast quality engaging remote meeting experience where you and your message will be remembered. Reactiv SUITE combines you, your brand, and your content together into a professional and slick visual experience. Don't just present passively. With Reactiv SUITE, you can ink, highlight, and interact with your content to help your audience focus and pay more attention. Reactiv SUITE makes your audience feel like they are in the same room as you. Increase engagement over 200% based on hundreds of surveys. Best thing is you don't have to change anything. Reactiv SUITE works with your existing video conferencing platform. Just click Screen Share and pick Reactiv SUITE instead of the PowerPoint file. That's it. Get started today with our 30-day free trial. See how easy it is to transform boring presentations into engaging experiences with just a few clicks.